So part 5 for self-care for the caregiver, I'm just going to recap a little bit and blend these things and show you that you can use any one of them in any different order you like. So we started with down-regulating the breathing. This works through the vagus nerve by slowly breathing in deep and exhaling twice as long. You do 2 or 3 of those and you're starting to already calm the system. The next was shifting out into peripheral vision, right? Shifting out and shutting up because it stops internal dialogue while beginning to relax the body into the parasympathetic nervous system. The next was to begin, right, focusing on your heart and breathing in for 5 and out for 5 to start to get into a nice state that some people will suggest that it is an optimum state for beginning to feel a little bit more oxytocin, right? So as you're focusing on your heart and breathing, then I had you imagine someone you love, right? Someone that it's easy to love. Could be an animal, could be, you know, anyone in your life. And as you allow yourself to feel that love, as you heart breathe, and when you're really feeling it, you're going to kinesthetically anchor it by squeezing your thumb and forefinger together so that it's more readily available for you, right? Then we did havening, which is another very interesting self-soothing technique, which seems to, you know, calm the amygdala response for when you're really feeling activated. And again, shifting you out of an unwanted state and into a better one, right? We did that. What else did we do? We did bilateral stimulation. So any way you want to combine these or play with them in different ways, just make it your own. Again, I'll be doing a free workshop March 25th. I'll put the link in the bio. And so register for that and we'll go into the deeper processes that, you know, I can't do in 2 minutes or less.